1991, Malaysian Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir Mohamad unveiled his vision to turn Malaysia into a fully developed nation by 2020.
In the International Journal of Viruses in March.
COVID-19 crisis. The country has surpassed.
Coronavirus tally has risen to 3 lakh.
Coronavirus are growing sharply despite the recent
19 hit countries announced.
First Malaysian has tested positive for the coronavirus.
It's not over. We must help each other.
Together we are better.
Together we are stronger. Thank you, Malaysia, for these 63 years.